big.
When I used to bring you guys here, I gave you covered your ears.
Hey Mom, how annoying were me and Abel when we were babies? Yeah. Well, I'm definitely more annoying now.
When he was a baby here on the 4th of July. And I looked everywhere for another one because he wouldn't use any other binky. And when I finally found one and gave it to him, he didn't want it. Yeah, well,